Okay, I think we're streaming. If it can, like, show up, please. Oh, yeah, here it is. Okay, no, it was upcoming.
Battery low.
Oh, gosh darn it. Shut up.
Charging battery.
Okay. Let me see if my mic's even going through. Oh gosh, my background noise is atrocious. Oh, can this vent, like, not?
Charging battery.
Okay, this is kind of a clustered heck already. So, I'm just gonna get into it. Okay, so basically, in Call of Mini Squad, you've got this thing called a protocol. And as you can see, let me set my DPI back to normal. It's used quite a bit in this thing called an HTTP request handle, which basically it just gets something from the server, and my goodness, this is quite the code right here. But basically, I have to rewrite all of this, sort of. Okay, so here's the idea. It will respond with a JSON. So the idea is, obviously you send things to the server and you receive things. So instead of it sending something to the server, I'm gonna change this song. Okay. So instead of it sending something to the server, and receiving something from the server, it will go into your files and get that JSON instead. Okay, so I mean that's the base idea. Only problem being that doesn't exactly make it much easier, because let me show you the problem with this. And don't worry, we are going to get progress in this stream. Shut up, Aben. Yeah, it is a lot of code. And a lot of code that I have to rewrite. Anyway. So, on request, it will call getResponse with the response. And then that's called here, but I'm not actually sure. So right now what I need to find is where it sends the request and how I can, like, turn that into an automatic JSON thing. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do first. So from now on, I'm not gonna know what the heck I'm doing, and you guys are gonna watch me suffer, because that's basically all I've done so far. So going through it, thankfully, this is all basically just save data. There is some stuff that's going to be annoying, like battle result, stuff like that. But, yeah. So, thankfully, most of this stuff is just player data, or server time. It's just a little bit more complicated than the other games. Like Call of Duty Zombies 2, it got the, server time, and Dino Hunter got the server time and the what's it called, the sale stuff and IAP stuff, a few of the things from the servers. This is on a whole other level. Okay, so I'm gonna figure out where that gets sent. it's gonna be quite a bit of tracing. Battle block theater theme. Yeah, sure, wait. I don't have a second monitor. I can't really just... So I'm gonna have to, Yeah, alright. Enjoy the... Hello, Nix. Alright then, Aben. Good for you. Bro, I start streaming and immediately the chat is just the cursed gang. Bro, I can't escape it. Okay, wait, let me pause this. That's not the right one. Well, what? I forgot which one it was. Oh, never mind. That is the right one. Oops. Alright, we'll just add it to the playlist over here. Dude, I'm not going to pick that up. My Discord is only open on my iPad right now, which I'm also using to read chat because no second monitor. Okay. Quasar Funky Stars. We'll just... Let's just do what I've streamed for first. Okay. Update. What? Instance, handle response. Oh, HTTP task. Oh, okay. So it only handles the response if it got a response. Okay, so quite obviously this is where it actually sends the request. Yeah, let me reverse engineer something with no debug symbols. I'm sure that'll go just swimmingly. Okay. So, basically, let me just... Okay, now where does this get called? Why is my stream delayed on, like, literally LAN? Oh, okay. So, yeah, this is where everything that gets, Okay. So, I'm just gonna make it log the request type. Dude, a decomp out of the... You know how long it took people to reverse engineer Mario 64? Like four people that are way better at coding than me. It took them like 2 years or something, bro. Just gonna mute that for now. Callback 0. I don't know what I was smoking when I did that, but okay. Is this even ever being called? As you can see, the game is working perfectly fine. There's nothing to worry about here, I don't think. You know. Bro, I can't even stream without the chat just being Tibbs and Aben. Okay. Apparently my stream chat is just a Discord group now. Okay, so for some reason this isn't... Where does it actually send the request, though? I'm gonna do it up here, because the callback is probably the part that's causing the no reference exception. Because it is definitely sending the requests. Or, actually, no. Because, yeah, it is still sending requests. Problem being this. So it initialize it. Okay, that's kind of loud. Game sever. Nice, bro. Game sever. They just had to live with that. They had to use this mistype of game server over like 70 times. That's kind of sad, bro. Oh, that's the okay. Initialize. Let's see what that does. Get response. Oh boy, 60. Ooh. Okay, I don't know where that's. Okay, this is making me ask. Okay, so once it gets initialized, it sets that to that. Is there like a... No, this isn't being added to anything. Oh, request map? Never mind, it is adding it. I'm blind, actually. Send request. Okay, no, so that is where it's happening right there. So, why is this not being called? People are mad because someone added widescreen to PVZ so it doesn't have two black bars around the screen. Sure, bro. I really love when you just kill me and then like 5 times, and then when I shoot you a few times, you're just like, Endo, what's wrong with you, bro? Okay, this is not being called for some reason. Even though it's very much being used a lot. Phoenix test. Hello, Zinzies. Check update script. Actually, no, I already made that not check update, so I don't really... Let me try something. If I literally just do this, is it just never getting called or something? Also, I didn't know JBM and Nix are called JBE and Nax now, but that's kind of crazy. Let's just see what that does. I can still read it. I'm not saying it's not the best quality, but like. Also, bro, do you even know C#? The only thing I've seen you do is make like a PVZ mod. I might want to like edit my settings a bit for streaming. This isn't C++, bro. That just proves you don't know what you're talking about. Okay, so what? Hold on, wait. Is this? It's literally. Let's see. What's this? Wait a minute. Okay, no, that's definitely the normal debug.log. I just realized what I did wrong. I was editing the code of the version that wasn't the GitHub repository, and that's why nothing was updating. Sorry guys, I have the stupid. Anyway, let me just try that again. Maybe with using my brain this time. That could be, you know, a bit helpful. If it'll let me, please. Okay, good. Now I can check the request type. Can't type. Well, I mean, I had no plans of taking it down. Okay, so you start the game and immediately, okay, get player data. Okay, we're gonna take this one at a time. Starting with get player data. Okay, so at this point, I feel like maybe I have to make a case for all of. Well, I mean, okay, I don't know about all of that. I'm still not really sure how many of these are used, but I'll do it one by one. So when you first start, chat, get message list, heartbeat. We can ignore these two. We don't need them. So get player data is going on the list. Okay. Get player data again. Get list genius infos. I don't know why it's called genius, but A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Dude, Aben, honestly, you should stop speaking permanently. Okay, well, we're just gonna start with get player data. Which is where am I? Okay, right here. Protocol player data. Yeah, protocol player data. Okay, so I've got about 3 choices here. One, we have a class with just... Actually, no, we already have a class. So, first thing we could do is... Okay, so I need to import a serializable dictionary. I have to make upgrade data serialize. So basically, I serialize this class. And then make it where when you save it... Also, by the way, the music that's playing right now is the epic Pumpkin Man music made by, I forgot his name. But he's in the... It's actually super fire, bro. But yeah. I don't know why we have someone this good at making music in our Discord, but sure. Anyways, point is, I make, instead of this, I make I serialize this class. And then deserialize it into a JSON. Okay, so that's the first thing we could do. The second thing we could do is just replace all this with player prefs, which just feels tacky, so I'm probably not gonna do that. Or I could do that thing I talked about earlier, which is, you know, making a system that will fetch it from your files somehow instead. The problem with that, I have no clue how to do that. Excuse me. And with that, there's not really a way I could null check for pre-existing data. I mean, I could have, like, if the file doesn't exist, it will make, like, a default thing. But at that point, I would have to manually assign each of these things. And at that point, I may as well just do the serialization thing. So that's what I'm gonna do. Get... Oh, he owns me now, that's crazy. Let's not. I didn't add that on purpose, bro. Okay, there we go. Hi, this code is so weird. Yeah, well, I mean, I would happen to agree with that. Just so likely, I would happen to agree with that. I need to go get the serializable dictionary from... Call me brawlers. And then what do I need to do here? Pretty sure enums are already serializable. I don't know, I'll give it a try. Rewrite in C++. That sounds like a great idea. Segmentation fault. Yeah, but it's also weird with how it works with serialization. Like, if I go to, oh, whoops. Yeah, sure. Sorry, not gun data. Let me find it again. Yeah. Okay, never mind. Oh, no, this is where I saw it. In public enum, this is set to serializable. So the question is, is this weird serialization stuff or the devs being stupid? Because it could be either. But anyways, I need to just open this to get the serializable dictionary. Did it even paste? Can you like paste? Okay, thank you. Why aren't you using JSON convert? Well, well, that's what I'm gonna use. I just need to, you know, make it serializable so I can actually serialize it first. Oh, they already had serializable dictionary. Okay. Either that or I accidentally added it twice. Whatever. Oh, yeah, I added into Boom Lagoon. Actually, I don't know. Is it? Yeah, okay, never mind. Let me push that. You don't need it to be serializable? If you say so. I mean, I'll give it a try. Alright, let's try. Oh, wait, no, that's the brawlers. To be honest, I wasn't really paying a whole lot of attention to the JSON convert code. I just assumed it needed to be serializable. Protocol. Actually, no, let me just go back to HTTP. Yeah, so basically, Gamers Unite here introduced me to coding with Pixel Gun mod, which was literally just infinite coins on version 3.9. And then after that, I went on to make Pixel Gun Remix, which is probably the worst code anybody's ever written. And then after that, I just read a bunch of documentation and also read other games code because I already had it, so. Well, you would probably be right. I've done that before and then ended up doing the easy route in the end after realizing that that's what I should have done all along. Anyway. Get player data. Add stuff from Star Warfare. I mean, I kind of think that the Star Warfare guns would fit decently well. I mean, they're a little too, like, gritty and realistic, but it's the same kind of, like, low poly. I don't know. It's like kind of the same sort of style in some way. Anyway, so player data. Okay. All right. login code. Okay, actually, I don't need login code. Nor do I need username. Tutorial step. What? Why is that? Why is that server sided? Okay, I'm not gonna screw with tutorial stuff for now. I'll get to that later. Money crystal honor. Okay, money crystal honor. Money exchange rate, honor exchange rate. PG has the the current stage of the tutorial that you're on, like playing locally on the server. I mean, unless they did it like some really weird way. Like I could understand the tutorial being beat, but like why have it like states? That doesn't really make any sense to me. Oh yeah, I can just do that. Exchange rate. Team level. No, it's just the other thing. Like, I don't know. I've definitely worked on Pixel Gun more than actually, not at this point. I don't even really know if I've worked on Pixel Gun or Call of Them anymore. But yeah, that's the other thing that I worked on the most. Team Maxwell. Wait, why is max level there? I don't know, we'll get to that. Team max XP. Team sites. Warner exchange rate? Wait, does it? Wait, hold on, where? Oh, it does! No, it says Warner exchange rate. Yeah, and also, you gotta love when you rewrite game sever like 60 times. That sure is cool, isn't it? What was I doing? Okay, so I'm gonna guess I should probably turn that into a class, because that's easier. Team sites. I don't even know what team sites is. I guess I'll figure that out. I'll make what a const? Const server name game yeah, I don't know. I've just given up at like trying to understand their code. Sometimes it's alright. Sometimes it's like the most egregious thing you've ever seen. In this case, it's definitely the latter. Team site. Oh. Okay, those are all ints. State. Unlock team level. Unlock crystal. That was the other one. Unlock money. Yep, don't we all? JSON data heroes. Alright, so. Player data. I can just serialize that. The only thing I can't serialize, which I don't know why C#, like binary serialization, can do it, but you can't serialize interfaces because I don't even know why you would be able to in the first place. Somehow Brawler serializes interfaces, but yeah. Even though everything's a git, like I don't understand. Yeah, okay, so that's that. Cur equip index. Actually, no, never mind. So for that, I can just have a public player data array. They spell heroes like this, so that's how I'm gonna spell it. Oh, actually, no, they spelled it right this time. That's how they spelled it in Brawlers. Stuffs. I think it was just called stuff. Oh, well, because I'm rewriting this first, and then I'm gonna redo the code. Sort of, because that's the thing. I can't really like directly do it with this, because look at all these protocols I'd have to rewrite. I mean, I am doing it one at a time, but a lot of these protocols are just not going to be done. Well, I mean, I guess I could do player data underscore and then this stuff, but then you'd have the problem of arrays in player prefs, which, I mean, I could just index it, I guess. I mean, I could, yeah. Let me see how annoying it'll be. Okay, so all this up here, I'm gonna comment out the original code. Actually, no, I have a GitHub repository. I don't need to comment anything out. This, gone. Use JSON data. That was JSON mapper.toObject of the response. I don't know, because I would have to obviously include it being player data underscore, and then I would have to have arrays for all this, and then I'd have to have default values. And at this point, it would probably take less effort to just make a fake protocol and then deserialize it, and then rewrite this part to just manually set the, or just to set the stuff from the protocol. So instead of having all this here, I could just do, yeah, instead of rewriting all this for just player prefs, I could make it deserialize this class and then just set heroes to heroes. And I feel like that would take less time too. I mean, I could make like a dummy JSON, I guess. I'd have to specify where from though, since if it all goes to the same place, because each link will have a different response, obviously. I mean, I would have to have a way of it specifying if it's an int, and then I can't exactly just have... I mean, the problem is still kind of arrays. Oh, I got it. I don't know if I would rather make like an automatic JSON data. Well, no, I could just make JSON data like a fake dictionary. Well, no, I understand what he's saying. But, so I can either, so I can obviously make a fake dictionary thing, and then initialize it with, the subtype that it is, and then I would also have to make that match up with, there's not really a best way to do this. I don't know. I'm gonna try this. If it ends up being annoying, I'll just go with the player prefs one, since this is only one thing out of however much stuff I have to do. I don't know, at this point it's just in my blood to do it with the JSON, because that's how most Call of Mini games do it, or with an XML. So that's just what I'm used to, especially since they already set it up for JSON, so I can just replace this part with JSON convert or whatever. And, or no, I'm not going to use this code, but I can just deserialize the object, which to me is a lot less annoying than like doing it manually through player prefs. It also, like, I don't know, player prefs feels more like, I don't know how to explain it. I'll try it though. Let's see. Index. Oh, that's the key. I was about to say, why do you need an index if you're literally... was about to say, what? Wait, is it supposed to go... Wait, it goes I, J, K, L, M... Oh, okay. I thought... Okay, yeah, no, never mind. Yeah, XML is quite a yikes. Hello, unnamed. I don't know why this... Oh, wait, no, that's the full version, never mind. That's the good version. Stuff data. Okay. Index count cost. Count. Done with what? Okay, wait, I need to... over here. Oh, talking about that. All right, let's see what you got. Dang, you got that good. Dang, that was perfect, bro. Okay. Get cost type. String cost type. Is that literally just enum.parse? No! Why would you do that? enum.parse when it exists? Oh, so you gotta love that right there. That's some Mini idle looking code right there. No, okay, at that point, I can literally just have it have the cost type itself. I don't like the... to P. Genius list. I am surprised the stream is live right now. But, thanks for watching. It is making me go less insane doing this. Genius list. I don't know why it's called genius, but... Sure, genius. Index level. Oh, literally just index and level, okay. better list. Isn't that like an NGUI thing? Stuffs. Okay, and then we'll just do evolve. What is it? Evolution. Evolves.clear. No, that's alright. You have done a good job, but it wasn't the assignment, but it was well appreciated and completely spot on. Okay. So, first of all, let me set the path here. Actually, do I have the icon? Well, time to go get that. Actually, no, that would have been the 10,000% off one. I'm not gonna get that. I've got it somewhere over here, I think. File system leak. Very, very sorted, I know. I'm just gonna get the APK icon, even though it's low quality. Oh wait, no, that is the wrong. Yeah, that is the wrong one. Yeah, there it is. That's the best one I'm gonna get, apparently. Huh, that's weird. What is that, alpha? What is that? Why did they trim it like that? What is that? Either that or Unity is bugging. I'm gonna keep it like that. Okay. And I don't usually like replace the icons. If we ever do like an update or a different version of it, sure. Okay. I'll just call. we gotta make sure that it does this. Okay, so we can get rid of all that. Actually, no, I don't want to edit that yet. Oops. And I need to figure out where it actually saves it. And there's probably going to be some default stuff that I'm going to have to overwrite. So yeah, if you guys can't tell, this is going to be a decomp on pixel strike. I don't like pixel strike. The animations are awful. The character controller is weird and floaty. The balancing is bad. The entire game just feels clunky and weird. And also, all the models just seem just a tiny bit off. Because they were made in Blender for some reason. I mean, the weapons, the maps being made in Blender is normal, but yeah, it's just off, bro. It doesn't feel right playing the game. Boom, headshot. Oh yeah, there's not. I didn't even think about that. Oops. That is supposed to be Team XP, not Team Max XP. And it has to be in order, because why not? I'm gonna have to figure out where it actually sets up the data, because I'm pretty sure all the default stuff, like the default characters and the starting amount of currency, I'm pretty sure that's local. I hope it's local at least. You know, I don't really get the point of them making all this server-sided. Because, yeah, I mean, there's an account system. But, like, it's not like it was super secure to begin with. I don't even get the point of the account system. I guess it's cool to log in on other devices, but, like, it's so random. Anyway. Oh, no, Team Max XP was a thing too. Oops. And also it was... I'm actually not okay. You can MITM proxy it. I don't know what that is, but I... Team sites. Actually, I'm gonna get rid of this. No. What was it? Oh yeah, it was team OBV hola team site. I never made the team site array. I know every single people are excited about it. Call of Mini Squad. Yeah, trust me, I know. This is gonna be Call of Mini Zombies 2 all over again. Except even more awaited, because this one is going to be painful on a whole other level. Also, for some reason, Call of Mini Squad uses NGUI. That I don't really know why. Since every other game they had like a custom UI system, which it was far from perfect, but like I don't know. I don't get the point. Sometimes they like like in Call Me Dino Hunter, they combined NGUI and their own UI system. WTP, bro. Yeah, great. Thanks. I couldn't tell. Game sites. State. You're not talking with me in a long time. Why, man? Because I'm busy. I'm literally streaming right now. Before that, I literally couldn't. Because I was busy with PR. And right now, I'm streaming. So I can't join call. Okay. I'm trying to champions you on Discord, but you didn't reply back. Yeah, I agree, man. Oh, I can literally just... See, I can replace this with... dummy protocol dot... heroes I... Oh, sorry, I mean J. Site num. Do you say what's my videos anyway? Sure. Yeah, whatever that means. Yeah, I can see that. You are definitely in chat. Say bye to your kneecaps, chucklehead. Oh yeah, stuffs. I'm talking to you. Oh yeah. Stuff data. Oh, I literally just use stuff data. Good to know. Wait a minute. Hold on a minute. Where does that ever get added to it? Am I like blind? Or does that never get added? Hold on, I mean, stuffs. Yeah, it never even does anything. It just makes new stuff data that does nothing. Unless I deleted something and forgot about it. Okay, we're just gonna... Okay. What was it of Genius list? All right. Index level. I remember around the time we was trying to create online back and didn't work. It was so funny. It only connected in 1 second and then disconnected. I mean, yeah. True. Okay. Enough. Would you add event the Colony Zombies X class of clans next year? What? Why would I make Call of Mini X Clash of Clans? What would I even do? What was I doing? Yeah, okay, Revolutionist. again. Yeah, evolutionist. Okay. Now I'm gonna get rid of all this extra stuff and fix the indentation. Catch exception. Turn 0. Okay. Oh, based, red pilled even. Alright, see ya. Okay, so that's done. So at least we can get the player data now. The only problem is it's not gonna save. So here's the idea. Is that like data save from JSON text? How do I save server config data? Data save from JSON text to JSON text. Load server config data. Oh, scomp set that. Create dummy game data. Yep. I don't think if I could reply to it. Just add weapons and 2 skins to the game and try to credit Supercell. I hope this is good as idea. I don't know. Well, that's kind of the problem. I can't really just import the models because of the fact that they're differently rigged, and I don't know what weapons I would add, and they probably wouldn't fit the game. So no, I probably won't do that. I mean, that's why they're open source, though. You're free to do whatever you want. You're free to make your own Supercell crossover. That's why I make them open source. That's kind of... Yeah, I agree, bro. Load game data. Two-toe rail. Can't wait to go follow the two-toe rail. Save game data. Where does it actually, like, send it to the server? Let me look at this. PvP get. These are all gets. Michael says, here we go again, I guess. You got stuck pain. Yeah, the very iconic lines from Mike, such as you got stuck pain. User login. Save. Is there anything called save? Save game data. That, okay, no, that's just the local data. Okay, I need a way to save this. Okay, I'm gonna move on from this for now. And I'm going to fix the next thing. Let's go, Com Squad. Dreams coming true. Yep. It might be a while, but I'm doing it. Alright. Did you heard about I would rather not bring politics into a stream about a mobile game from like 2016 or whatever this was made. Player data. Okay, yeah. Get list genius infos. It's weird because my previous streams, my previous attempts to stream have always been like 0 to 2 viewers. But I guess now that I have my niche, it's weird. It like drops down to 3 and then it goes up to 13 and it drops down to 3 again. I don't know. This is my first time streaming since I don't even know when actually. Technically, I streamed on the Ender Machines, but yes. Okay, I don't know what you're responding to, but yeah, sure, yes. Okay. PS 3D hacking is insane. I'm guessing it's easier than Pixel Gun. Because even though Pixel Gun's anti-cheat is literally the worst thing ever conceived by man, if you can even call it an anti-cheat, I'm guessing PS's anti-cheat is not much better. Okay. It's okay, continue it. DLL injection works? Nice, bro. That makes me wonder what's gonna happen when Pixel Gun releases on PC. I don't know what they were thinking with that. That's just gonna make Steam hate them, and then make there be like 3 times as many hackers. I genuinely don't know what was going through their head. Like, how much does Pixel Gun 3D anti-cheat detect? As far as I know, basically nothing. Yup. Yeah, I'm sure that'll make the game just run so well. I genuinely don't know what they were thinking. This game, Pixel Gun does not translate to PC. Old Pixel Gun translates to PC fine. New Pixel Gun does not. I think you're trying to get attempt to kill the game. I'm not really trying to kill Pixel Gun. I'm hoping on its downfall. I'm just over here praying on its downfall, but I'm not really doing anything to help that. Mono, but could you imagine? That would be so funny. Yeah, I don't even need to do anything for the game to die. It's just gone, dude. There's no shot they make it out of this. This is, as Dash says, the nail in the coffin. Anyway, let me do this again. Okay. Why would you do int.parsed JSON data .toString? What is wrong with these devs, bro? And I would say I want to see the original formatting of the code, but I mean we already have that. With we have the original comedy source. Now I'm not saying that it would be the same, but I don't know. It's just kind of boring. I mean the formatting's weird. It's kind of inconsistent. They left comments in and stuff. There's random like Chinese characters, but other than that, it's not really anything crazy. Parse remaining point. Okay, so in get player data, they cast it to an int. In this, it converts it to a string and then parses it as an int. I don't know why, but sure. And they even did it with like the pre-existing. Yeah, I don't even know, bro. What? Oh no, object can be initial. Okay. I mean, I'm gonna be honest. Colony Dino Hunter's quote-unquote unorganized code. I'm not gonna say it's organized, but it's much more organized than most mobile games. The problem is it's confusing because instead of it just being general code, they made their like own code base out of it with like event stuff. And that's not the way I would do things, but it's not really bad. That's just the way they wanted to work. Anyway. Team attribute save data. Oh, wait, I can just do this. All right. Maybe do programs in a weird way so people don't really know how to fix it. I don't think they even thought anybody was going to decompile their code. That's how clueless they were sometimes. Or maybe they did know, but they would not create that big a code base just to confuse people. Especially since a 15-year-old had absolutely no issue taking some time to understand it. So something tells me that's not what they were doing. Where are we going to get our own Play Store sign up so people can just download it from the Play Store? You see, the problem with that is, I don't know how that's gonna go over, legally speaking. So, yeah. Okay, so for this, I'm gonna have to make the player data. So I'm not gonna... Okay, genius list. Why does YouTube say that game is being played on Steam? Is Mega Man 11? Yeah, alright, welcome to some Mega Man 11 gameplay. And this is what I'm talking about. Like, a couple minutes ago, we dropped down... Actually, no, it was more like 10 minutes ago. We dropped down to 3 viewers, and now I'm back up to 11. I mean, I'm not complaining in any sense of the word, but it's just strange to me. Anyway. S3 team attribute data. Just gonna call it that. Doesn't mean to force you to another stream. Sure. I think it happened with Infinity Sisters mod menu built into the game. Oh, since there's mod menu built in the... Was there? I didn't think there was a mod menu built into the game. When the next stream, Comedy Sniper, is it possible to add multiplayer like trio and duo? Yeah, I mean, I was thinking about that, where you could have different guys set up, like, around the map. So, yeah, it's definitely possible. I don't think I'm gonna do it for hold up. For the redo, I don't think I'm going to do it. But as an update. Okay. Evolution list. It's just another team attribute data. Wait, what is this? It's genius list. Evolution list. And you know if 7.3 is released on iOS. I don't think it was. I'm pretty sure it skips from 6.2.1 to 7.1. That's how I remember it, at least. I don't even think there is 7.0. Is fine there, delete all games on the Play Store. Yeah, I mean, there's well, no, that doesn't mean they can't still go after us, because I'm pretty sure somebody bought them out. Just because the games are gone doesn't mean that they can't take legal action. So I would much rather get permission from them first. Because I don't think it would go over very well for us if we didn't. Built by a ton of hackers. The hacks built it into the game in Infinity. Yeah, keep... Yeah, dang, you really got me there, bro. I was not gonna say that. So yeah, I really wonder who that is in chat. It's definitely not Fanoa. Well, I mean, I guess it could be Kyle's. It strikes me more as Fanoa, though. I guess he's still mauling over the fact he got banned. JSON data. Reset genius cost. Huh? Were they even used? Is that even used? If I... I know that because I have an archive with all the Infinity hacks. Also, I'm just gonna... Boink. Reset genius cost crystal. Oh. Yeah, I don't need that. Are you going to add all the unused items back into the game? Not on first release, but we should be able to add them later on. The only problem is with Call of Mini Squad, each character only has one weapon. Well, as far as I remember, each character only has one weapon. Like, depending on their level or whatever. So I would have to add more characters as well. Or I could add, like, a secondary weapon thing, but I don't know, a lot of them wouldn't really fit on the characters. What is this? Oh, alright. See ya. Thanks for dropping in. I appreciate it. I'm also excited for the release of Comedy Zombies Online. Yup. Truth be told, I'm probably going to do that one after all the other things. I might do it like third. It could happen anywhere between third, fourth, and fifth. Well, I'm too far in to give up now on squads, so let's see how this goes. I haven't even gotten past like the first screen. This is gonna be something, isn't it? In this month, I mean, yeah, at least like 3 of them will probably be in this month. I'm gonna try and get squad out within the next week. I'm just gonna focus all my energy into that instead of working on 5 things at a time like I usually do. Actually do one thing for once. I was kind of doing that with Dino Hunter. That one took a while. This is gonna take an even longer while. Mentally, at least. Dino Hunter only took so long because most of it was just me screwing around. But I'm going full focus mode on this one. Sun convert. Yes, LOL. And I'm curious to see how the live stream will have gone by the end of this. I'm gonna maybe stream for a while longer until I can at least like get into a game. That's the goal for today's stream. Get into the game. Maybe be able to like move around or something. That sounds completely alien to me because even getting that far it just seems wrong. That's how annoying this has been. I made an announcement about the Windows Phone version of ComC. No. And you probably shouldn't. I'll make an announcement if I like decomp it or something. Chinese skin. So, is it still like encrypted? Is there a way I can like decomp it? 48-hour stream. Yeah, I'm sure that'll go over very well. I don't think I could physically do that. Okay. Okay, goodbye to you. Alright, we can say goodbye to all of this. I mean, there is a possible way me to maybe recover it, but don't ask me about it. Okay. I won't ask you about it then. Have fun with that. Oh wait. Bleh. Got it, but it's corrupted. I don't think it's corrupted. I'm pretty sure it's encrypted in some way, or it's just a different kind of file format. I have to look into it. Yeah, okay, so now instead of telling people how painful recoding the game was, people can just go watch my streams of it. Oh, dang, we just dropped down to 5. We've still yet to hit 14. Genius list. Alright, so basically here's what we're gonna do. Alright, so we can just... And we're done. See, that's why I wanted to do serialization, hello player, because I can literally just do that and then get rid of all this boilerplate right here. I don't even know if I use that word correctly, but word that used correctly. And then this down here. Don't need this. We'll just, we'll do this. Okay. Okay. Get request. I'm gonna have to look into that. Alright, let's see what we got. Okay. Team Genius, heartbeat. Okay, wait, what's null here then? What? Let's see, where's that being initialized? Data save, team attribute. Oh, I just realized why that's happening. I'm a bit slow. Send request. So, okay, here's what we're gonna do. We are going to protocol m request callback. Okay, m request map. Request type dot. What was it? Get request? No. Oh no. Gosh darn it. It is get response. Oh. Oops. Okay, and we still got a no reference exception. Well, that's just great. No reference exception on that stuff. 301. Request map. init. Is that even being initted? It is not being initted. Okay, so here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna init, and we're going to 0. Okay, it literally doesn't matter. Alright, let's see what we got. Now does it say hello? Okay, there we go. And now, okay, there we go. Now I go here and couldn't find part of the path. Say, oh. I should probably do that. If directory not exists, plus saves. Create directory. I'm gonna make another variable for that. Screw it. Put that in here as well. Yay. I don't know why Journey have made this game online. Yeah, you got me, bro. I have no clue. I guess they were just kind of getting addicted to it after Calamity Dino Hunter. Oh. Aw, it doesn't show.
System no reference exception. To the reference of an object.
Wow. That's not really helpful. Let's not add a try catch. Oh gosh, I have to unindent all this. I'm not putting all those new lines back. Bah. Okay, but I need to figure out if it's even there. Company squad. Saves. Player data JSON. Null. Well, that's cool, isn't it? Okay, here's what we're gonna do. Okay, actually no, let's not do that. I'll just null check it. iFire, okay. If call team sites. Equal null. Yeah, it's why they also didn't use photon. Well, I mean, they didn't use photon because it was I don't know why they didn't use photon. Like, I mean, I'm not saying Photon's really that good, but like, it beats whatever they were cooking. So whoever bought Trinity up, good question. Some random company that I don't remember. Something Chinese related, obviously. Okay, there's your null check. Now I need to do it here. Team attribute. Oh yeah, let me do it here though. Yeah, but how do we go to find the company? But I don't know. I'm just over here fixing their stupid game over here so people can play it again. And I am not enjoying my time doing this, but I know it will be worth it. If we were able to get them back in the store, that would be great, but I don't think we can. Okay, to give you guys a break from the constant code and stuff like that, I'm gonna open up the brawler. Oh yeah, it's already open. Okay, I'm gonna leak brawler stuff. Okay, so we got the hunter, and we got Mike, and they do actually check if you have the decomps installed, which took a bit more debugging than I. Well, actually, no, it took about as much debugging as I thought it would. It wasn't even really that much. And yep. So let's play it a bit. I'll play once as each character. So all the controls are now PC, and yeah, and the move controls are way better than whatever Trinity was cooking. Their PC controls peaked at Dino Hunt. Actually, no. Their PC controls peaked at Zombies 1. I can't even lie. Actually, I mean, I don't know. Either that or Zombies 2. In the future, I'm probably going to make this guy cost gems, because as it is, his melee weapon is basically just a second primary with infinite ammo and knockback. So also, I had gotten pretty far in this game. I had a rocket launcher, AK, and an AA-12. I was going to try and like change the save type to binary, right? And yeah, so I screwed up my data file, and yeah, no, I'm back at nothing. But I guess that's better for me to show off. Zombies also drop crystals now. Let me show you in Arena, where it's like more likely that they drop them the farther out you go. Because there being no way of getting crystals, you know, bothered me a little bit beyond like the achievements or whatever. Oh. If you look up one of the old screenshots, there's a mouse cursor. Let me, it's probably them testing then. Dun-dun. I don't really get the point of adding the boomer. He doesn't really do much. You literally just like hit him once and he dies, and he's almost never used in missions. The only time he's used in missions is like the time survival ones. See if I can get one to drop a crystal. The chance should be like 1.2% right now. By default, in like default missions, it's 0.033, or no, it's 0.33. So it's like a 1 in 300 chance. Hobbada, 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 I'm gonna die! I will sacrifice hamburger to get the gem. Oh gosh darn it, no more ammo. Alright, I'm sacrifice the ammo too. Oh, that's barely anything, dude. Okay, my luck is not great right now. My luck was kind of crazy with the crystals earlier, so fair enough. Ah! Maybe I can level up again and get all my health back. Oh yeah, okay, there we go, I got one. Yeah, so it was actually an unused pickup. I was about to like go and get the 3D model from Dino Hunter. Oh hey, I got another one. But it turns out it was already a pickup, because when I tried to import it, it was like, oh, it has a conflicting file, and I'm glad that it did, because I would have made like the most goofy pickup known to man when they literally had it just completely ready, even though it's unused, or it's like really rare. I don't know. I've never gotten it. Oh gosh. Oh no, this is bad. Oh, I'm screwed. Oh no. No, 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 no. What? What? Ah, okay, there you go. You can get those now. How do I play that? I'm guessing that is the game that I'm playing right now, which is Brawlers. Technically there is a decomp right now, but I don't recommend you play it because it is of a much lower quality than this. Where do you think we're going to add the old weapon thing? Soon maybe. It seems like a lot of the old code is there, but a lot of the old UI elements, I'm gonna have to do some trollage to get them back. All melee weapons, just so bad. Okay, yeah. So that's your leak of Brawlers. And no T-Bank for you. And I'm gonna start doing that so people don't get the misconception that either you can buy them or you can get them for free. I'm not stopping until I can at least go into a game. Come on, dude. Team attribute save data. Alright, let's see what we got. That is forever going to have improper capitalization. Actually, technically that's the proper one, but I'm too lazy to make it that. That is not creating the JSON. Is it even called? Because it sure seems like maybe it might be. Hello? Okay. Protocol team, get genius info. Oh. Oops. Make sure there's no try catch. Okay. Yeah. Path equals team genius list.json. JSON. Well, that sure seems right. Why did you just remove the button in the game? Because it's funnier to make a pop-up. And also because it would have made the UI look worse. Let me make sure it's even getting cold. Did I do the wrong one? Get list genius infos. It's team get list genius infos. What? Team G. It's right there, bro. In request map, request type dot get response. Uh-huh. Is it getting cold or not? You remember I requested old JBro mob menu? Yes. Warren. Why is it the guy? Protocol heartbeat. Protocol player data. What? Hold on. Oh. Wait, no. Wait, what? On get okay. It's because of the callback. Let me do the callback after it does this. Whoopsie. Bro, he's a status. He's a status is on the hacked rank. Yeah. Oh, okay, we have a loading screen. Let's go. Dummy protocol.genius list. Team attribute save data. Oh, well, that's a problem. There we go. Problem solved. Null reference exception. Oh. Yeah, I should probably clear that. Help. On 96. Team attribute conf. LS. LS talent items. Oh boy. We're going on a completely different rabbit hole now. Literally just opening this one part is just opening an entirely different can of worms. Like every line of code is just a completely different, like, 30-minute thing I have to rewrite. So, are you guys wondering why Squad is taking so long? Do you get it yet? Okay, where does it actually add its stuff to it? Count result. Oh, wait, no, I'm actually stupid. What am I doing? Attribute data dot index. Hold on, you're not telling me index is null. How can it be null? Oh. Oops. I think it's the biggest zombie franchise Trinity worked on. Why does comms only take so long? Then you said a few days. Yeah, so basically when I said a few days, immediately after I actually wait, let me think, when was that? Yeah, few days. Ended up spending those. It ended up being like 1 or 2 days, and then I ended up spending that time, doing something completely different because I didn't feel like working on it at all, and then I was just too busy to work on it, and right now I still don't feel like working on it, and yeah, I don't know, if I don't have motivation to work on it, then the end result is going to be much worse. But it is on the list of things to do before I once again lose my free time, which I have about a week and a half before that. So I'm doing this first because this is what I have the most motivation for. I work off of motivation, so if you want anything within the next few years, you have to bear with me here. Yeah, I know I have a problem with time estimates. I'm not gonna promise anything anymore. I mean, it wasn't really a promise, but anyways, point being that online will be coming soon, as long as I can get stuff fixed in time. It's only coming out with verses though, if you're not already aware, because co-op is gonna be annoying. But I will update it, and then after that, I'm gonna do mini carnival. And also, quick news about Battlefield, I can't decomp it without rewriting the entire game, so that's just great. Like imagine what I'm doing right now, excuse me, is rewriting part of the game, you know, the server part. What I have to do for Battlefield is rewrite the entire game. Doesn't that just sound fun? Because it really doesn't to me. Why add online? Oh, it's not. It's just German. I mean, that's true, I guess. But, the game is kind of boring without it, and also the game is, I don't know, it adds infinite replayability. I need to rebalance it, but also, also, I lost my train of thought. Help me. Oh yeah, but also, I lost it again. Help me! I actually need help, bro. What is? Okay. But also, we need more people in the Call of Mini server, and that's what people have been asking for the most. So if we want to grow this community, we're gonna have to do, what the community wants. While I agree that there are better games to revive, like Mini Carnival, which is literally only multiplayer unless you count the Braid Shadow Legends gameplay of the single player. So yeah, I'd say that's a bit higher on the priorities for me, but for the entire community, they would rather have Call of Mini Online, or Call of Mini Zombies Online. So who am I to not give them that? Master Procrastinator. Any news from Steve about Dino Hunter? Nope. He hasn't given me anything. Well, I don't know, you have to face the responsibility of the game becoming unplayable due to hackers. Well, I mean, you would think that, but unlike Pixel Gun, there's basically only one person in this community that would know how to hack. That knows how to hack it, and that person is me. I mean, there probably are a few people that would know how to hack it. I've never talked to them, but anyway, point being, the amount of hackers in the Call of Mini community is quite low because all the quote-unquote hackers just downloaded a mod APK, which they can't exactly do now. And if someone does do a bit of hackage, then, well, first of all, they wouldn't really have a reason to. I don't know why they would want to in the first place, other than out of spite, which, again, why? But, even if they do, then I can always add extra precautions if they're lazy. If they're not lazy, they can just get around them. I can do IP bans, but that would require me to get their IP. But I do have some ideas for other players not being able to receive anything from banned players. The only problem is making sure that, they are banned. Because, ban evading. I don't know. I have ideas for the anti-cheat, but it shouldn't be a problem. It's at the start. Okay, it's taking a while, but it's getting there. Yeah, I mean, good luck with that. I'm gonna revive the original game. Call Me Online is better as a Roblox game than a unit game. I mean, no. You're kind of right. Right now, you could argue that their online is better than my current online. But, I mean, people don't really want to play Roblox. They want to play the original game. And I could rebalance it to the point that, obviously, playing the actual game is better than playing the Roblox version. Because, I'm sorry, I don't want to pay 800 Robux for, like, what was it, a cow skin and, like, a milk cannon or whatever it was? That's not Call of Mini, my G. And, I mean, even if you discount all of that, I was planning on making a Call of Mini game that's specifically made for, like, FPS multiplayer versus co-op, stuff like that. Obviously, way in the future. It would have the Call of Mini Zombies 2 as assets, or style, because that's the most assets we have. Excuse me. Multiplayer game or on Roblox is way easier than you. Well, I mean, I can't disagree with that, but I don't enjoy playing. The only Roblox game that I enjoy playing is Games Unite, and that's only because it's it's just a simple, well-made FPS with good animations, good mechanics. It just works. It's just, I want to play an FPS game, so I go play that. All these extra gimmicks with Call of Mini, it was not really that fun. If you could even find a versus game, that is. I mean, yeah, I could. I don't know, I just feel kind of selfish doing that. I could. I'm not gonna advertise it though. I'm just gonna leave it in the background if I do. But then that brings into question: would they take legal action because of that? I don't even think they'd take legal action to begin with. But if they did, would me receiving donations change anything? It probably wouldn't, but I don't know. No, games unite, not gamers unite. I was kind of confused too. It was one letter off, but yeah, it's just an FPS game. I don't want to say when Carnival does come out, whichever is first, it'll probably distract me from development. Barn event was the worst ever. Every event was the worst ever, bro. There shouldn't. I'm not completely against events themselves, but not being able to buy something only by Robux was. I mean, I get that's how they want to get their money, but like, I'm sorry, it just doesn't appeal to me that I have to go and buy this. Gosh, buy this. Rob Dev earns money from donations because he made. Well, I mean that's fair enough. Yeah, he can buy all the copies of Changed he wants. I'll think about it. I might make like a tip jar or whatever. I can only go so far with Call of Mini. After I'm done with like all the projects, I'm definitely gonna move on to Glue. I'm gonna be doing Glue after these 5 things and maybe Mini Carnival. And then after that, I am going to do Glue games, starting with Samurai vs. Zombies 1 and 2, and then moving on to Indestructible, and then Gun Bros, and then... Well, actually, I don't know. I might do Gears and Guts after that, and then maybe Gun Bros. I wish I could do... What's it called? Dino Hunter Shores? Whatever it's called. Wish I could do that, but asset bundle stuff. Anyway, I'm gonna get back to it, because people are dropping off, hearing me just ramble on about something. Carnival is already handled and well, yeah, I know, but it's not the original game. People don't really want a remake. I would much rather remake the original game. I don't like Roblox remakes. I don't know. Maybe that's just me. I just don't. Hello, Abdullah. But I'd say most of the community agrees that they would rather have the original game, which, yeah, they would rather have the original game than the, why am I Ethan? They would rather have the original game than the, you know, the Roblox remake. Which, you know, I can agree with that sentiment because usually the Roblox remakes are a bit goofy. Okay, wait, what's the for loop? Oh. And not only that, the original game, it'll play exactly like the original game, except the multiplayer system will just be a little bit better. Because as bad as Pun 1 is, it's a lot better than whatever their multiplayer system was. Yeah. And also the game itself, unless he does like a great job on it, which, I mean, I'm not saying he won't, but unless he does like an incredible job on it, the original game is going to be more fun than the Roblox remake. And I would much rather have native crossplay. I mean, there's still crossplay on Roblox, but I would much rather have the native game working on my own app than relying on Roblox to do stuff for me, you know? Because Roblox isn't a game, it's a game engine. And it's not a very good game engine. ls tile items.count. Where does it add to those? Where does it set it? Oh, wait, no, that's a public list. Oops. Here, wait, let me, let me log. Oh, this is gonna be even more annoying than I thought, dude. Alright, so yeah, Abdullah. Alright, trying to preserve. Well, I'm personally reworking some much needed systems. One thing I remember a lot about Carnival is fishing. And you know what really put me off from Call of Mini Bloxia? I made like a passing remark in the Mini Glider and Mini Jailbreaker video. Them making the least funny shorts to ever exist on the internet, and then just pinging everyone every time they make one. Like, come on. That on top of them just for no reason adding random stuff from random places, making them cost Robux. I don't know, man, it just left a bad taste in my mouth. Okay, wait, let me see how big this is. 25. Those shorts are a waste of their time. Yeah, and then some. It's a waste of my time to continue having to click on the channel because I got pinged. The only reason I'm in there is because I want to see what's happening with the game. I wanted to keep pings on because... Well, actually, I really can't turn it on. I could mute it, but... Call many blocks. Yes, well, bugs are not fixed for more than a month. Also, let's not talk about the fact that the enemy AI is literally a default plugin. Or it's like a pre-existing plugin, and it is awful. I mean, some dude, like, I saw the plugin they used, and it is genuinely, oh my gosh, it is so bad. It's actually so bad. Like, I didn't think Roblox code was gonna be great, you know? I've seen decent Roblox code before, but oh gosh. No, this was like decompiled. What was that game called? Decompiled Corona games. Like Coinbox Clicker and Super Sky Butter, whatever. But actually, wait, I've got a file of it right here. Let me just... yeah, there we go. Oops. Okay, look at this. Okay, well, it wasn't this. This is basically just a glorified data file. But it was on the level of this. There was no indentation. Things just spilled out all the way to the end of here. It was, oh gosh, dude. I didn't even know what I was looking at first. I mean, obviously, I didn't know what I was looking at here either, but... I mean, I figured this out. Anyway, point being that... Yikes, basically. Okay, so... Something tells me that I'm going to have to, look for wherever the default data is being added before I can proceed. So, let's figure out where that's happening. Even boss stages. Yeah, it is sad, bro, how bad that game is. I mean, some of it's not that bad. The assets are fine. Although I don't get their I don't get them, like, obsessively using the Roblox character model instead of, because they imported zombie models and stuff like that, but for some reason they just refused to use the original character models. Which, I mean, whatever. Just, I don't like it. Anyway. I need to figure out. Yeah, I've never understood why someone would make a script and then just add script on the end of it. Like, yeah, wow, it's a script. No way. I don't get it. What was I doing? Right, okay. I need to figure out where the default data is being made. Let me actually look into the config over here. If I can find it. Yeah, heroes. Here we go. Which, by the way, getting these were a different kind of pain. Even boss ranks, yeah. Yeah, so let me tell you a quick story of how I stumbled on these. So basically, Steve sent me his like documents folder of Comedy Squad data that he still had like on his device, or he found it. I don't really remember. So I had that. It was like C1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I discounted it as just nothing. And then I made an announcement asking for people's squad data when I just had it right there. And then whenever I finally went through the code and realized that it really was C1, C2, C3, stuff like that, I rushed to where I had downloaded that to, which was kind of a pain figuring out where it was, but I found it, and then I can't think of the word. I decrypted them, and yeah, then I got them. Yeah, so I have that now. Excuse me. Anyway, I need to figure out what the default data is. Which, I'm a little bit worried about some of this. I feel like maybe these configs might not be the full config sometimes. I'm pretty sure this one's not even used. Loading tips, that one's fine. Reward box. Unplug this now. Durcation. Durcation. Reward box, that looks fine. Special attribute. Exacerbate. Yes. Description. I kind of want I'll translate that later. But yeah, it's cool to see that the comments are still in there, and they decrypted that and put it on their like servers with all these random comments. That's pretty funny. So that was just part of the decrypted or the encrypted text. Special attribute effect. I guess that looks fine. Stuffs. That I think that's fine. Yeah. What really makes me worry is, I mean, the enemies themselves, I guess they're fine, but the game levels, I mean, I guess there are 4 worlds, but it's only, well, I guess there's, I don't know, it seems like there's not enough data here. It seems like maybe I'm missing something. It definitely feels like I could be missing something here. Because I don't get, like, where are the waves coming from? This is just the dialogue. Map node. There's... Oh, spawn info. Yeah, no, that's not it. So that's why I'm just a little bit concerned, because I don't know where the waves are coming from. I mean, there's levels.txt, but something tells me that's not right. So, it just makes me worry that maybe, just maybe, some of that might be server-sided. Actually, just to be sure, I'm gonna search for that right now to make sure I don't waste my time. Oh, well, obviously I'm not gonna be in those. What am I doing? Resources. Test scene, localization. 3D map, no. Configs, I already checked through all this. Effects, no. Code material, no. Game. I mean, there is also the chance that it's not in a config file and it's like, well, no, but where else would it be? Doesn't really make any sense to me. Prefab. Let me look up wave. Any spawn wave point. Spawn enemy wave. So let's figure out where. Okay. So this is definitely where it is. XML. In loads enemy spawn info. Text from disk. Span infos. Please tell me it's in span infos. I don't see span infos. Oh no. Oh wait, no. It's in. Wait, no, but that's not in configs. Load enemy spawn info. It's not called anywhere else. Is this even called? It's called from game battle. Which definitely seems like it would be getting called configs span infos. Oh, there we go. Span infos. Test new scene _ SI. You see, now we have a bit of a problem. Okay, so I mean, here's a question. I've got a decomp of 1.1.4. Actually, no, it's gonna be ComSQ first version. Fix it. Actually, I think it is in here. I don't remember where I put it. ComS first version. Com squad. Where is it? I know I've got it here somewhere. First version fixes latest. Where is latest? Comedy squad. It's probably this. Let me check. Let me just open a random script. No, it is not that. That is the correct version. Might just be called squad. Oh gosh, when you have this many decomps in random games. Okay, I can't find it. I can't find it, man. ComSQ fixage first version or whatever. I mean, do it at this point. I may as well just go get it and see what pops out. Yeah, there it is. That's make it that. Wait, no. My bad, I got copied assets. Actually, no, it's made in Unity 2017. It doesn't really matter what I put decompile just in case. Okay. Now, this version is IL2 CPP. So... means I can't decompile it, but I can get the files from it in case there is some trollage taking place. I mean, is this even used? Like, story point, spawn one time, trigger distance. Like, okay, let's just check trigger distance. How about that? Oh. Well. That's not really good, is it? Yeah, I'm starting to worry a little bit that maybe these files are missing. I don't understand, bro. How did the game even work then? It was literally posted to Android with 1.0.1. Okay, let me check the output. If oh, I didn't even export it yet. Gosh darn it. Okay, I got the Comedy Squad latest. Okay. Wait for that to export. What? I will figure it out, guys. Don't worry, I will get it working eventually. Okay, let me check now. So I gotta config spawn infos, But what? I don't get it. It doesn't make any sense to me, bro. Also, mind telling me why all of the config files are just magically here. Actually, wait, no, I don't think that's all of them. Wait, is it? No shot. Okay, it's not. But weapons is there? seems about the same file though. Yeah, I don't even care anymore, dude. You know, it would really be nice if it was just magically not IL2 CPP. Yay! Whoa. Oh. Wait, what? Oh wait, no, I'm in Com Squad first version, bro. I'm actually not okay. I'm not even in the right folder, dude. Oh shoot. What am I on right now, bro? I just gave myself so much false hope. I don't know why my brain thought, yeah, it's just magically not IL2 CPP. That's definitely how that works. Okay, now let's check it. Yeah, that's more what I was looking for. And of course. Ugh. Okay. Okay then. And that's the same. I don't get it. Spawn enemy wave. Decomp. Enemy spawn point main. Spawn wave dot spawn position. I just what? Okay, let's see where spawn waves. Okay, it's a public list. So enemy spawn point main. Spawn enemy wave. So it's a public list. Wait, no, that doesn't. Wait, no, it does. Hold up. I don't understand. Like, okay, let me spawn enemy wave. It's serializable. It's in a public list. Okay, my info is components and children spawn waves. Okay, so that does mean it's a mono behavior thing. Okay, crisis averted then. But battle buffer manager. Let me see. Is that like a? Oh. Wait, what? Huh? There's nothing on it. Oh, components and children. Whoops. You're right. Wait. Let me look at that. That is the weirdest way to do anything I've ever seen. And also, get this out of here, bro. Decompiled NGUI moment. Okay, wait. Model. Camera. Huh? Bro, I don't get it. Components and children. Spawn waves. What? There's nothing in, there's a camera point, bro. I don't get it. Battle buffer manager. Spawn infos. Okay, so enemy spawn point main. Let's say that. Here, spawn waves. We're gonna look this up, all right? And that does, okay, that does. Actually, no, we're gonna look this up, all right? I actually don't get it. Enemy spawn point, room door, trigger distance, general, main. So wait, is everything? Oh, scenes. So is there one for each? Okay. Oh wait, no. Bro, I don't get it. This is the most confusing thing. Yeah, thanks, Kitsune. I'm gonna look this up. Okay, enemy spawn point chain, spawn wave. Dude. Spawn enemy wave. This spot. Whoa! What? Okay, so I've confirmed that this never calls anything other than test level. So then I've confirmed that there's only one enemy spawn point main, which let me actually look in the scenes for that. That's what I'm praying is what it is, because yeah, okay, there's 1, 2, 1, and then there's let me look at this. Spawn point chain. Okay. There we go. Enemy spawn waypoint. Wait, no. Bro. Oh, spawn infos. Here we go. Zombie. Okay. Okay, that's how the enemies spawn. Okay, I can stop having mental breakdown now. Let me go to the last map. Oh, apparently that's just green. Why is it so green? Okay. Let me just... Zombie purple. Wait, hold on. What are the types? Zombie... It seems like there should be more than that. I mean, that's only one of the spawn infos, though. Purple, pestilent. Yeah, okay, there we go. Okay. Okay, we are good. We are good. I almost had quite the moment right there. I wonder how long does it take, though. Let me guess. 2 week, 5 week. I'm gonna try and get it done this week. Or I mean, yeah, in about a week. That's how long I want it to take. So today is really just me screwing around, figuring out how everything works, just starting the coding. Yeah, so I'm not missing anything right now other than what's on the server. I've at least confirmed that. And what is on the server is mostly just save data. So there's at least some solace in that. So once I rewrite all of that, figure out where the default stuff is, and then fix whatever bugs I made along the way, maybe, just maybe, I can get some decent progress on this. As it stands right now, though, I think I'm about ready to hop out. I'm gonna work on this a bit more behind the scenes. I'll probably do another stream. But thank you all for tuning in to my first live stream, technically speaking. And I will see you guys when I have some decent progress, maybe like default data or something. Anyway,